video, I'm going to show you how to get Governor Stamina in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Governor Stamina is a crucial resource that enables you to engage in activities such as attacking beasts, rallying terrors, and completing various quests. Now, to replenish or increase your Governor Stamina, consider following these different methods. So, method number one is by utilizing the Lynx pet. So the Lynx is a generation 1 pet that becomes available around day 55 of the server. Its skill, Comforting Embrace, restores Governor Stamina, with the amount increasing as the pet advances. Now, the stamina restoration range is 35 to 60 points with a cooldown of 23 hours. Now, in order to maximize the stamina restoration, focus on leveling up and advancing the Lynx using pet foods, growth manuals, nutritional potions, and promotion medallions. Now, we can also have equip and upgrade our Governor Gear. So Governor Gear is a feature unlocked when your town center reaches level 22. So this gear can be crafted and upgraded using materials like satin and gilded thread. While primarily aimed at boosting your power, certain gear pieces may offer bonus indirectly stamina or support stamina regeneration. And now another way what we could do is participate in events and complete quests. So engaging in daily missions, path of growth tasks, and other in-game events can yield rewards that include stamina refills or items that restore stamina. So participating in these activities ensures a steady supply of resources to maintain your stamina levels.